911, what's your emergency?
Buck, Eddie, get me everything. Officer, you might want to clear this tarmac and that window up there. Once we open this thing up, it's probably not going to be very pretty.
Yes, sir.
Whoa. That's impossible. Sir, can you hear me?
We got a live one.
We need to take this thing apart now. Easy, guys, easy.
He seems to be in one piece.
I don't see a lot of blood.
Okay, very carefully, let's pull him out of there.
Nothing appears to be broken.
What stopped the compressor?
Looks like these got sucked in first. Locked up the blades. Kev?